In this video, I'll show you to reset your PS5 DualSense controller and fix common controller issues. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your PS5 controller isn't connecting, has unresponsive buttons, or just isn't working properly, you can try to reset it. The DualSense controller includes a built-in reset button that allows you to restore the controller and pair it with your PS5 again. In many cases, this is enough to fix common connection and pairing issues. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to properly reset your PS5 controller, pair it back to your console, and go over a few additional fixes if the issue continues. Alright, so first you can completely turn off your PS5. If your controller is still connected, press the PlayStation button and select the power icon. If your controller isn't responding, simply press and hold the power button on the console itself. Wait until the console has completely powered off and the indicator light is no longer blinking before continuing. Now on your DualSense controller, you can flip it over, and on the back of the controller, you'll find a small reset button inside the tiny hole. So it's this one, and using a paper clip, SIM card eject tool, or another small pointed objects, gently press the reset button inside the hole. Hold the button for about 7 seconds, and after that, your DualSense controller has now been reset and is ready to be paired again with your PS5. So now turn on your PS5, and to pair your DualSense controller, you just need to connect it using a USB cable. I recommend using the USB cable that came with your PS5. Press the PS button on your controller. The light on the controller will begin flashing while it pairs with your PS5. After a few moments, the flashing will stop, indicating that the controller has successfully reconnected to your console. You can disconnect the USB cable if you want to continue using the controller wirelessly. Alright, if you're able to reconnect the controller but is still experiencing issues such as random disconnects or unresponsive buttons, make sure the controller is running the latest software. Check for updates. You can go to settings, hover down to accessories, select controller general, and then choose DualSense wireless controller device software. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once the update is complete, restart your controller and see if the issue has been resolved. And that'd be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.